my name's Jessica and I am the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hey! So I'm in my daughter's bedroom because we are going to be chatting all about 5 easy ways that you can organize a small space. Now, my daughter's room is kind of small because the closet kind of like bumps out into the room and her bed has to go at like kind of a certain spot. Otherwise, there's really like no space for shelving or desk or anything like that because she has so many windows. I have learned quite a few things about how to organize a small kid's bedroom, and I'm going to share them with you in this video. So my very first tip to keeping a small bedroom organized, like a small kid's bedroom, okay, because let's be honest, a small adult bedroom is like totally different than a small kid's bedroom. So a small kid's bedroom, the first tip I have is open shelving. Seriously, I'm obsessed with open shelving in small spaces because it doesn't feel like everything's like falling on top of you or like you have all of these shelves like caving in. So I love open shelving in small spaces. This one is like a ladder type of shelf and I think it's perfect because it just, you know, it's like a light color so it doesn't feel so bleh on you. And the shelves go from like thin up on top to like longer, like deeper on the bottom. So one thing that I use on the shelves in my daughter's bedroom are these. These are actually pantry bins. And you can stack them. You just flip the little things over. Because of like the stuff she stores and how we use it, we aren't stacking them at the moment, but down the road, I totally know we're going to. So I like using them because they're versatile, right? Like I can use them in many different things. Down the road, they can easily fit into her closet, or we can use them in the bathroom, or they could even go back in the pantry, which like, what? I love products that can be like multi-purpose, and this one is totally one of them. Tip number 2 is to use wall space. Oh wait, this is the grid system from iDesign. Obsessed, okay? So this is the grid system from iDesign. I love it because the pieces, like look at this. They just like pop off. So you can design this however works for your space. So for us, my daughter has a lot of flashcards and she really likes the little like keychain trinket things, but she doesn't want them all on her backpack. So we kind of like have a designated space in her bedroom that she can store the ones she doesn't want on her backpack when, you know, they're not in use. It does come with shelves. You can add shelves. You can add hooks. It is so great for so many different areas, but I love it in her bedroom just because it adds like a spot for everything. Everything has a home. If I wanted to, I could easily just, you know, go online and buy another shelf. You can see all of the products that I used here down below. Also, I love it because any like artwork she has, you can just use a binder clip and clip it on. So it just kind of like adds some like fun into the space. Tip number 3 is to remove closet doors if they get in the way. So when the closet doors were on, they were kind of like flying all over the place and we didn't really have a lot of room in front of the closet. So by removing the closet doors, we now have so much more floor space that we don't have to worry about closet doors. So it's so easy. You simply remove them. We are storing them in the attic in case we ever want to put them back on. And now she has like easy access to her entire closet. We can see everything and she has tons of floor space. So when she wants to play, she actually has spots to do that, where before she really didn't have a lot of floor space because we had to make sure the doors could open. Tip number 4 is to use baskets in your closet to hold different things like clothes. Okay, these baskets are from iDesign. I love them because they kind of look like cozy and homey, and we file fold everything inside the baskets so that everything in the closet stays like super organized. You put a little label on it and you are good to go by keeping everything in your closet organized. We are also using the pantry bins over here to hold her kind of like seasonal sports gear. So when she does gymnastics or when she does dance, and we keep them right there just so she can like grab them and go. We didn't have enough space in her closet system to store those. So by adding this as like a little extra touch so that she has some more space, then she is able to still get her items that she needs and like get herself ready independently, but we don't have to worry about like cramming it into a drawer or a cabinet. And then my 5th tip for organizing a small bedroom is to use under bed storage for off-season items. So I really don't like storing things under the bed just because I think they get lost, but if in a small bedroom you store off-season clothes, then I think it makes total sense. So use a bag like the one I linked down below along with all the other products that I love, and then you store the items that the kids don't need for the previous season. Okay, so like let's say it's winter and you have all of their summer clothes. We'll put all of their summer clothes in the under bed storage and then zip it up, stick it under the bed, and then you have storage for the kids' clothes, but you aren't taking up all of the space in the closet. It's a great way for small spaces. Love these tips. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There are new videos every Wednesday.